Hello friends, today is a good news for all of you guys, those who are watching my video, because only 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks are left to Squid Game Season 3. And I have already made an announcement in my community tab, but none of you have watched that. And that's why I thought that I should say it in the video. And that is that on 26th June I will upload a video in which I will tell you how you guys can get free Netflix account. Not just Netflix account, but a Prime Video and Disney Plus. All of those will be free. What will be the process? All of things. That whole thing will be. I will explain it in this video. So do watch the video till the end, and you will get to understand that how will I accept those who have subscribed, and I will only give the account or whatever. I'll give it to you on that day. You will understand what I'm going to say you. Just watch the video till the end because it's YouTube. I can't say something like straightforward. I should filter my words. So do watch. You wanna start a free trial or there is a membership, but leave it like I'll give you the free account. So don't need to just click on that. And there is the next thing, which is Disney Plus, on where there are only animated movies or movies from the Cartoon Network or Disney, the Pixar, these type of things like for the child. And you can also add that app to your TV. That will be a different account, or like I will upload a different videos for all of these things, but you must need to subscribe to my channel. And there is a link given in the description of that video of my Instagram profile, so do follow there because I'll also communicate with you guys there, and like half of the work will be given there. So do subscribe to my channel and follow there, and thanks for watching.